Hi everyone, my name is Kate Gregory, and welcome to my course, C++ 17 Beyond the Basics. I'm a consultant and mentor at Gregory Consulting. I've been using C++ for over 30 years, and I've really enjoyed watching it change over the decades. While many developers have learned some C++, many have stopped before they get to the very powerful parts. Others write C++ as though it was Java or some other language they know well. You can make your applications faster while making it easier on yourself to write and maintain them, using some more advanced parts of the C++ language and library. This course is going to show you how. Some of the major topics we'll cover include what modern C++ is, using standard library containers and algorithms, lambdas, and exceptions. By the end of this course, you'll know how to write powerful and fast code with less effort by using all of C++ and writing in a modern C++ way. Before beginning the course, you should be familiar with the basics of C++ syntax, as well as how to use your preferred editor, compiler, and debugger. My C++ Fundamentals including C++ 17 course will get you all you need. From here, you should feel comfortable diving into even more C++, with courses like Beautiful C++, STL Algorithms, First Look, C++ Core Guidelines and the Guideline Support Library, or Beautiful C++, Updating Legacy Code. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn more about C++ with the C++ 17 Beyond the Basics course here at Pluralsight.